Could be like Perseus, you know? The nicest little guy though, he's making her know that she's a litter. And you know, she knows she's really skinny and the mom isn't feeding her. So we brought her in and she started eating like a pig. And then he noticed she had constipation or whatever. So we brought her right over there. And I'm not really sure I got so lost on Scottsdale. And then ended up taking her here. Or whatever. Like, oh, I know, because she went
Wow. It was very quiet, oh fuck, yeah.
Yeah, but they found nothing.
Very quiet. It's little teeth.
So
Does he have anything abnormal? I don't think he does.
and
I think that's all they want.